Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, nursery. How are you all? I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. Today we are doing blending. In blending, I have some three-letter words for you. Here you go, nursery. Now we will make these three-letter words. For this, I have the sounds also over here. Now, are you ready, nursery? I can't hear you, nursery. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start. Now, look at the first picture. The first picture, this one, it's a box. Box. Okay, now let's find out. Help me, nursery, in finding out book. B. The initial letter is B. 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 Where is B? B. B. Oh, here we go. B. So we'll put it over here. B. O. 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 X. X. Here. See? B. O. X. Box. Box. Okay. The next one is zip. Zip. So the initial letter is Z. Let's find out. Z. Okay. Where are you? Z. Here we go. Z. I. P. Zip. Z. I. P. Zip. Very good, nursery. Now the next one. It's a hut. Hut. So the initial letter is H. 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 Let's find out. Here we go. H. T. 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 We'll put T over here. T. Hut. Hut. H. T. Hut. Now the next one is log. Log. L. O. G. G. Let's find out G. 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 Here we go. G. Log. 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 Now the next picture is tap. Tap. The initial letter is T. 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 A. Now find out A. Where is A? A. Here we go. A. T. A. P. The last sound is P. Now where is P? P. Where are you? Come on, P. Let's find out people. People. Where are you? Is this people? No. Where are you? Here we go. P. T. A. P. Tap. Apple. Tap. Now the next one. Hat. Hat. Where is her? Can we find out her? Her. We need two her here. Yes. Here we go. H. A. A. Hat. Hat. H. At. Hat. Come on, nursery. Let's revise it again. Box. B-O-X. Box. Zip. Z-I-P. zip. Hut, h-ut, hut. Log, log, log. Tab, app, tab. Hat, hat, hat. Good job, nursery. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.